Hey everyone, welcome back to Stuti Studio. I hope you guys are doing well. Today I'm making this colorful crocheted wind spinners. They are quick to make, beginner friendly and perfect to hang as a home or garden decor. So without getting any delay, let's get started with the video. But before starting, make sure you subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Use 3 to 4 color to give it a vibrant look. I'm starting with brown color. Make a slip stitch and then chain as per your desired length. I made total 100 chains. Sounds too much, but it will be perfect for a wind spinner. Might be different as per yarn size. My yarn size is 5 mm. This is my chain 100, and after this for row 2 I will use the same color and make single crochet all around this 100 chains. This step is just to make the base stronger. Once you complete with the single crochet all around, for the third row we will change our color. To change the color, just cut the yarn, use whatever color you want, simply join it like this. This is the simplest way of joining any color. Let the small pieces hang here, we will take care of this later. Then for the third row, make a half double crochet on the first chain, chain 1 again and half double crochet into the same chain. So this is the pattern for this whole third row. You have to repeat the same thing for each and every 100 chain you have. Double crochet, chain 1 and half double crochet, chain 1 and half double crochet again on the same chain. So repeat this sequence till the end of the 100th chain. Idea of this row is to make the surface little wider. So we are adding more stitches to the 100 chain and making it bigger and bigger. Continue for a couple of chain and you will notice this will start it forming the spiral on its own. Continue the same process and complete all the chains. And I will cut the video to the end of this row. This is how it looks after the row 3. Already started getting spiral beautifully. Let's change color for 4th row. Here we will make 4 double crochet into the chain 1 space. You can also figure out the chain 1 space by this little zigzags. So you have to make 4 double crochet into the chain 1 space. Actually my yellow yarn is little thinner than my other, so I'm using 4 double crochet. If you are using the same type of yarn, 3 double crochet should be enough for each chain 1 space. Complete the whole thing by following the same sequence, and at the end it will look something like this. Already looks super spirally and bouncy. I just wanted to give it a little finishing touch. In the end, for the 5th row, I'm adding a layer of white like a border just to give it the nice finishing touch. You can end the project right here in the yellow color, but with the color white it will just look more highlighted. One single crochet on each of the chains. Now we have more than 100 chains now, and just make one single crochet on each of them. And this is how it looks after, more highlighted and bright. So this is the whole thing. I will end the row by cutting a little extra yarn. I will make the loop to hang with the same yarn so that you do not have to attach more yarn later. And on this bottom portion I wanted to hang a tassel. You can leave it as it is. So for the tassel I am using all the yarns I've used. Just wrap each colored yarn around your fingers like this 10 to 15 times. And then cut it from one side. So this is a bulk of cutted yarn now. Now with this tiny little yarn sections, just tie a knot with them. And again tie a knot including all of them just to keep them all in place. Cut it in a straight line, and this is how it looks like. And that's it, our crocheted wind spinner is ready. I hope you liked them. I hope you liked the video. If you enjoyed this project, do not forget to like, subscribe and share it with your crafty friends. See you on my next video. Bye bye.